All right, some tips on taking off the steering wheel. I did a video on this, but I wanted to do another one. First of all, you do not need to remove this trim piece that covers the drive shaft. Don't have to take that off. You need a 30 Torx screwdriver. You need something that resembles this long. This, if you have a Torx bit, it will not work. Even though that's kind of low profile, it's quarter size, it won't fit up in the hole. So if you're in a junkyard, or if you're doing this at home, you can move the steering wheel. There's two of them. This tool will work. If not, you're going to need to get something like this to be able to get up in that hole. Again, these won't work. It's a 30 Torx. 27 actually will kind of work if you're in a jam, but it's actually a 30. And obviously unplug the battery, wait at least 15 minutes or so before taking this off. So these don't have a mark themselves, so I've tried to mark the actual steering wheel at the 12 o'clock position and the bolt at 12. My camera angle is a little wonky, but they line up. So I will do the middle of the steering wheel, that top mark for the new one. So while removing the steering wheel, this came off. Just try to put it back exactly where it was, and don't spin any of this. Don't spin this at all.